So there's been a total lack of videos lately because I've moved house, as you can probably tell by this being a different house. So let's get into this video. Went out for a hunt today and came across a deer, got her within 10 metres. She stood up, started running, fired, gut shot her unfortunately. Went to chamber another round. She slowed the fuck down. She was almost walking at this point, and she's probably only about 15 metres away. Went to chamber another round and got a massive jam on my lever action. So we're going to talk about how to clear an obstruction in your lever action when you're in the field and have to, in a hunting situation, get it done quickly. So we'll move the camera so you can actually see what the fuck I'm doing, and we'll crack straight into it. It's going to be hard to try and keep on camera while I do this. So, if you can see in there, all right, so that round that's on the feed ramp cannot go up into the, cannot be put forward because there is a spent case in the chamber, which you can see in there. All right, the problem is you can't get this round out now because if you go back down, it can't go back into the tube mag because you have another round positioned there, and it won't come out of the gun. You shake that round all day, it's not going to come out. So the reason it's not going to come out is because of your ejector. Your ejector is just there. When you tip this upside down, you can see that the base of the round is caught there. That's what's stopping it. So all you have to do to clear this is tip the gun upside down using a screwdriver or a knife. I use a stick today to press down on the extractor. Now, it's kind of hard to do because if you do it the way, like this way, fuck, that's really hard to say. If you do it this way, the screwdriver's obviously in the way of that round falling down. So do it from this side, the back of the ejector, depress it. All right, once that round is down like that, you can literally tip it over. That round's going to come out. Now that we've done that, we can try to get this round out. So normally you would close it again and it would cock back out. Now, normally that's how you would clear that obstruction. If this round doesn't come out, the easiest way, right, is push it in. Now you've got your extractor there, push your thumb on the extractor, which will cause it to have to push in on the casing. Is it going to do it for me? All right, so push down on the extractor with your thumb, and while you pull it back, it's going to come out like that. That's how I did it today. However, trying to recreate that, then I couldn't get to do it again for quite a while there. You may need to use your knife or your screwdriver. If that rounds in like that, knife and screwdriver there. Whoa, fuck me. Right, knife or screwdriver on the rim of the cartridge, drag it out. Or if all else fails, stick a cleaning rod up the bore from the other end and punch it straight out. So that's how you clear that. So if that ever happens to you, now you know how to fix it. Well, that's it for now. Hooroo.